going to dinner at Chops Grove. No, I lied. We're going to dinner at Jamie's Italian restaurant. It's casual, so wearing the see-through shirt. Don't know where I got it from. What you wearing, handsome?
Chill.
What are you wearing?
It's just polo, regular.
Polo with some chinos from Primark and some, what are those? What are those?
These are Gins.
Gambles.
11s.
These 11s. But yeah, I just put on these lashes. This is the first time I've succeeded in putting on lashes by myself. I'm quite proud of myself because I didn't glue my lid shut. Because that's dead ass happened to me before. I've like glued my, like, just the top lid part in here a little bit, but nothing serious.
Kitchen these ingredients because they need pigs and dogs to find them because they grow underground the floor. So if you see some pigs around the ship, they are chasing truffles for me, okay? I'm gonna bring some water for you and I come back in a minute if you have any questions for me, right?
Thank you. Yes.
I was before and another group before. I'm like, well, all right, y'all gonna clearly gotta go. Clearly, it's gonna have to be.
If you hurry up, Craig, you have 20 minutes before they close. Before they close, we yamming.
It's the elevator right here.
Or if you just want to go now, leave the lamb chops and then come back.
Come back with the tacos.
Or put the tacos in the room.
Put the tacos in the room and come back.
Yeah. We just finished eating at Jamie's Italian and it was okay. If you buy the package, it's worth it. If you don't, I don't know. It was okay. I don't think it's worth buying it. Like, there's a kid on the floor. I don't think it's worth it if you're gonna spend actual money on each dish that you eat. We are going, or we're in the solarium, which is an above 18 only pool area. I'm sorry if I'm always like this, guys. I'm just not used to looking into the camera. Cover some chestises. But yeah, so we're just going in the hot tub, because why not hot tub in Alaska, right? What it looks like at night. So quiet, serene, peaceful. Oh, I thought he was naked. But yeah. Going in now. Bye. After chilling in the solarium, whirlpool, or a hot tub, whatever it was, for about 30 to 40 minutes, we were actually kicked out shortly after we got there because we went really late. We changed and we ended up going to the music hall, our favorite place at night, because our favorite bartender is there, and we listened to some live music and got lots and lots of drinks. Tequila was our best friend this night. And shortly after that, we went to our favorite after hour spot to grab some pizza. When all of the planned activities are done in the music hall, it does turn into a club, I guess you can call it, and we actually got to see some really good dancers and they were a part of the crew. I got to give props to them. I wasn't able to tell them in person, but the guy in the white shirt got some serious moves. I'm hot. I can't wait to get to the room and take off all my clothes. Yes, a reference to Nelly. It's getting hot in here. Let me save you from my terrible singing. My hair looks crazy. Down one is right there.
You're not drunk enough. If being drunk enough, everything is delicious.
I could probably do another chocolate, but it made it taste better.
So you trying to go back downstairs?
Well, my tongue is pretty now.
Yeah.
All right, teeth. Here's
Alcohol shouldn't do
I
that.
can't feel my teeth.
Alcohol definitely doesn't do that.
Are you sure? I'm pretty sure that's how they did it in the old days.
Oh my goodness, I was recording that the whole time. Thank goodness.
Oh my God.
She said alcohol. She
You
can't
know,
feel her
respons-
teeth.
I'm a responsible adult. Don't take that.
Sorry, too late.
Shit, somebody put the top of the water.
Walking back and forth? Nope, you're drunk. No, I'm good right now. It's just making that turn, so whatever. Nah.
You're drunk.
I gotta get drunk. Have a good night.
8:30 for breakfast?
What?
8:30.
For real?
It ends at 9:30, so I don't know what other time you would want to go. That brings us to the end of day 4. Thank you guys so much for watching part 2. And if you guys are really enjoying this content, please don't forget to hit that like button. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I have way more vlogs coming up and other really cool videos that you guys might love to see. Bye.